How to log into your Netspend account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Over here you will find the search box. Type in Netspend and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one. Open it, netspend.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Netspend. Now at the top right corner, you will find the option of login. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Netspend is a company with prepaid cards that offers alternative to checking account debit cards, credit cards, and cash. Netspend makes its money through a variety of fees such as the monthly plan fee, transaction fee, ATM withdrawal fees, replacement card fees, and inactivity fees. Now to log into your account, all you have to do is type in your Netspend account's credentials. So go ahead and type in your username, type in your password. In the case you want to remember your username, check in for this option. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on these options to recover it. Once you fill this, click on login, and with that you will be logged into your account. Well, this is how you can easily log into your Netspend account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.